Alright, I figured this was definitely worth a quick video. I've got a 1999 Hayabusa engine here. It's basically just a donor engine. I'm robbing parts off of it to build a 2005 engine to replace in the bike this came out of. This is the importance of maybe some maintenance. I don't know the history of this bike, but I can tell from the smell that it probably never seen an oil change. It was basically ran out of oil, I'd say. And that's the oil pan. That's the remnants of the number 2 connecting rod, I would say. And a bunch of little smaller pieces of it in there. It's way up in there, you can't really see it. But you don't need to see it from there because it's right here. Yeah, it made a quick exit. Lovely. Got a light here to see a little more of the destruction inside. Still kind of tough to see, but that's the piston in there. It is obviously bent. Chips taken out of the case from inside. And of course there's the big one here. This gaping hole. There's the journal inside. Oops. It is a mess. Alright, that took a little work just to get that out. Really had to pry on the crank just to get it to turn a little bit, just to make enough room to get that piston out of there. But there is the remains. That is destroyed. The rings are basically welded in place. They don't move whatsoever. The rod and the pin are basically one solid piece. Nothing moves. Crank's destroyed too, obviously.